Hi everyone, I just received my January 2021 SnackCrate box and I wanted to share it with you all. If you're not familiar with SnackCrate, I'll make sure to put more information about it in the down bar below so that you can check it out for yourself. This one is the premium / family size SnackCrate. It runs about $49.99 a month, and you can also have the option of adding a drink, which is an additional $5.99. So let's go ahead and get started. So as always, the SnackCrate box comes in a light blue box, and once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it looks like for the month of January, we received South Africa. As always, you get a brochure. It tells you some fun facts about the country that you're getting, as well as some of the snacks that you'll be getting. So these are items that come in the mini box, the original box, as well as the family box, and there's always some fun activities as well and recipes. And I haven't seen inside yet, so I'm really looking forward to seeing everything that's in here. All right, so the first item that I see are these Lay's Thai sweet chili flavor potato chips. We've got the Lay's Italian cheese gratin flavor. And then we've got Lay's Caribbean onion and balsamic vinegar flavor. Then we've got 2 packages of the Chinaks chicken flavor maize snacks, corn snacks, I believe. Then we've got the Willard's Big Corn Bites, and this is in the honey mustard flavor. Next, we've got Baker Street's Diddle Daddle by Jumpin' Jack popcorn. Then we've got Byers Sweetie Pops. Then we've got 2 mini cheddar snacks, and this is from Baker's. One is the fruit chutney flavor, and the other is the cheese flavor. Then I see another snack from Baker's. These are the Eat Some More shortbread cookies. And I see a bunch of candy bars, so let's go ahead and go through them. This is the Milky Bar Crackle. Next, we've got the Cadbury Bournville. This is classic dark chocolate. Then we've got the Nestle Tex. And we've got a Nosh bar, hazelnut, nougat, and caramel smothered in milk chocolate. That looks awesome. Then there's a Nestle Bar 1 peanut. Then there's a Cadbury Dairy Milk Top Deck. Then we've got a Nestle Peppermint Crisp. Then we've got a Cadbury 5-star. Next, we've got some Cadbury Whispers. Looks like milk chocolate with a malted honeycomb center. Next, we've got several of these. These are the Champion Original Toffee. Down to the last few items. The next item is this Sally Williams Dark Chocolate Coated Nougat Bar. And last but not least, we have a Baker's Jolly Jammers chocolate cream flavored biscuits. So that was everything that I received in my January SnackCrate box. I'm looking forward to trying everything in this box. I've never had snacks from South Africa before, and these all look amazing. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free to ask them below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.